Splicing ground wires using standard wire nut. Separate the ground wires, bare, from the others and push the ground wires towards the back of the junction box to bend them. Hold the ground wires in your fist. This will provide a minimum wire length of 6 inches required by NEC, and cut them off at the front of your fist. Take a piece of bare wire for the pigtail and using pliers twist the wires together clockwise. Secure the connection with a wire nut. Neatly fold and insert the wire connection into the junction box, leaving the pigtail wire outside the junction box. A medium-sized universal wire nut that can be used for any connection for the number of wires specified in its specifications. The universal, standard wire nut allows the connection of the minimum and maximum number of wires and wire combinations specified in the manufacturer specifications. For 14-gauge copper solid wires, this is typically 2 to 6 wires. Equipment grounding conductors must always be connected together to provide effective ground fault path for current as per Article 250.148/2023 NEC. When using a universal wire nut to splice ground wires, add the pigtail wire needed to connect the ground wires to the electrical device. The cut wires for splicing must be at least 6 inches long from the point where they exit the cable sheath, and must also extend at least 3 inches beyond the junction box opening if the opening is 8 inches or less in any dimension, per Article 300.14/2023 NEC. The cable sheath must extend no less than 1/4 inch beyond the junction box entrance or its cable clamp according to Article 314.17(b) and Article 334.19 of the 2023 NEC. The size of the pigtail wire must not be smaller than the size of the wires of the cables to be spliced. When grounding conductors of different circuits are spliced together in a junction box, the ground wire pigtail connecting the electrical device to the spliced grounding wires must be the same size or larger as the grounding conductor of the circuit to which this device will be connected. When splicing the wires, 3 to 5 twists are sufficient, as too many twists can damage the wires. A pigtail wire has been added to connect the ground wires to the electrical device. When it is necessary to splice more ground wires than can be connected with a single wire nut, use a larger wire nut, or separate the ground wires into parts and splice them separately, connecting them together using wire jumpers between the connections. In addition, the pigtail grounding wire connected to an electrical device must be the same size as the grounding conductor of the circuit supplying this device. The ground wires can be spliced using a green wire nut, and one pigtail wire from this splicing can be connected to electrical devices in a daisy chain connection. Or the ground wires can be spliced with multiple pigtail wires using a standard wire nut, so that each device installed in a multi-gang junction box will be connected using an individual ground wire. A standard wire nut may also provide one pigtail wire that can be connected to electrical devices in a daisy chain connection.